Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious tres leches Mosaic Jello that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious tres leches Jello Mosaic, these are the ingredients. I have 1 cup of water, 4 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin, 3 packages strawberry, blueberry, lemon, and 1 condensed milk, 1 evaporated milk, and 1 cream. This is everything we need to make this delicious and creamy tres leches Jello Mosaic. So let's get started. I want to start here by first dissolving the jellos. I have the blueberry here, and I'm adding it to 2 cups of very hot water, and then I'm adding 1 cup of cold water. This is so the jello firms a little faster. For every package of jello, I am using 3 cups of water. Remember, you need to mix it very well, making sure that the gelatin really dissolves completely. You want to make sure that the jellos are really nice and incorporated. Look at this. The total is 3 cups for every bag of jello. And you decide what color or what flavor you want to make your jellos or what brand you want to use. But let me tell you, this tres leches Jello comes out so delicious that you guys are going to love it. I have a paper napkin here with some vegetable oil. I am going to grease my mold because I want to make sure that the Jello comes out perfect. So we're going to add a little bit of vegetable oil. After 4 hours, the Jellos are ready to go. I'm going to slice them and then cube it. I want to cube them in medium size. It all depends how you want them. I want medium size so you could really see the little cubes through the tres leches mixture. Well, here I'm just going to go ahead and start cubing it. Look, just like that. You could always make these jellos a night before so that they firm really good and then you're ready to go the next day. Well, here I'm adding all the jello to this bowl and I'm going to continue cubing the other 2 jellos. Very easy. This one I didn't grease too well the mold, so it's pulling apart, but that's okay. We want little cubes and that's fine. Look at this. It's so easy, time consuming, but let me tell you, this jello comes out pretty delicious and so creamy. Almost the same size, okay? You want to make sure that all the cubes are almost the same size. Every time you take your jello to the refrigerator, make sure that you cover it so it doesn't absorb the flavors of the refrigerator. So here I'm just cubing the last strawberry jello, and then we are ready to start making our tres leches mixture. Look at this. This is a perfect dessert for summer. If you have little ones, of course, they could help you slice and cube the jellos. Once you have all the jellos in here, we're going to incorporate them really good. We want to see throughout the jello, we want to make sure that we see all the little cubes all over the place. So once you have them in your mold, you're going to take it back to the refrigerator, leave it there. And now we are going to bloom the unsweetened gelatin. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of unsweetened gelatin to 1 cup of water. And we're going to leave it in here nice and blooming. And now we're ready to prepare our tres leches. I'm adding 1 evaporated, 1 condensed milk, 1 cream, and of course 1 cup of regular milk. And I am going to add into this mixture a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I'm adding a teaspoon of vanilla paste. This is going to give the tres leches such a delicious and amazing flavor. Okay, now I'm just going to incorporate it really good. Once the vanilla paste is incorporated, I'm going to take this mixture of the unflavored gelatin to the microwave, and I'm going to incorporate it to the tres leches, making sure that I incorporate it really good and I mix it for a couple minutes so everything is well combined. After this is all combined, I'm going to take out from the refrigerator the mold with the little cubes of the Jell-O. I'm going to go ahead and start adding it in here until I cover everything. And with this mixture, I was able to cover the whole Jell-Os. Look at this, how beautiful. I'm going to move it around. I'm going to use the spatula, making sure that I get all the air bubbles out. Of course, I don't want to leave anything behind. I'm going to cover it with saran paper, take it to the refrigerator for about 4 hours. And we're going to find out if I grease the mold very well with vegetable oil. After 4 hours, we are ready to reveal how this Jell-O is going to look. I wet my hands a little bit so I am able to pull apart the Jell-O from the mold. This is the best way to do it. Now I'm just going to tip it over, tap it a little bit, and now this is the best part. If you got up to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. I want to say thank you so much for all your prayers, for being here, for giving me so much support and leaving those amazing and beautiful messages. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Look at this. Look how beautiful it came out. That means I did grease the mold very well. Please don't forget, leave me a thumbs up, and I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to enjoy it. I'll see you, of course, in just a little bit. I hope you enjoy and you make it, and you enjoy it with your beautiful family. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing tres leches Jell-O. Yes, tres leches Jell-O just came out perfect, but this is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. It looks beautiful. The combination of flavors of the Jell-O plus the creaming of the tres leches, just perfection made at home. This really came out perfect. I hope, my friends, you can make this delicious dessert at home. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification button. If you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And see you soon. Bye-bye.